Hi there, and welcome to our next update we just released at EDUonGo. The highlights I'll be focusing for this update are inside the course area and are dedicated to teachers. Under the sessions list, you can now clone a session. Also hide it from students by clicking on this eye icon. Now, whenever you create a session, they will be added into the session bank of your entire academy, which means that you are now sharing your sessions with other teachers inside your academy only. So you will see this button here next to create new session that says select from bank. Just like you select a question from a quiz inside the quiz bank, you can now also select sessions from the session bank. I can select one session and another one, and then I can hit the add sessions button here, and it will clone the sessions we just selected and insert them into our own session list here in the course. From here on, you can change these sessions as you wish because they have been cloned for you. Okay, great. Another update I'd like to cover here is that we have removed the next and previous arrows around the title. Now, if you remember, there were two different buttons on each side of the title. Students will now see the button See List on the left side and Next Session on the right side. Now, you won't see the Next Session button because you have the Edit button as a teacher. Only students will see the Next Session button. Of course, you can always click on the drop down and navigate to a session this way. Okay, another feature we added for sessions is where you can make sessions conditional. So if you go under course settings and at the top here for make all sessions conditional, say yes. This means that students will have to progress through the sessions one by one. For example, they cannot read session 5 without progressing first to session 4. Of course, you can leave this as no, and students can jump from one session into another just like they've been doing up till now. However, that's now an option for you to make sessions conditional. Another small thing we added here for you as a teacher, you can hide the numbers in front of the sessions. So if you say no here, then I can go back to the sessions list and I don't see the numbers in front of the titles here, the session titles. Okay, now let's go inside a session and click on the edit button. Each container of the presentation page of a session can be modified on its own now, which will give you more space to deal with that container. You can also rename this container instead of just having numbers by default. And when you hit the save button, it will automatically save the changes, so it's not depending on you anymore for you to hit the save and preview button up right corner the way it used to be before. And as a matter of fact, we changed that button to just say done now. You can also add an image if you'd like and deal with that container separate, and then hit save. Let's do a video, hit save, and here we are. Now hit done and we are really done with this video. So thank you for watching, and until next time, I'd like to leave you with this in mind. Albert Einstein once said, I do not teach my students, I only provide the environment they can learn from. So there you are. Go and build the best environment for your students.